Hey guys, how you all doing? I am going to show you a quick and easy way to do a saddle stitch. So basically it's a hack to accomplish your saddle stitch without doing it the traditional crisscross way, right? So I am just going to go ahead and put my ends together just like so, and I am going to do a running stitch. I'm not going to knot the beginning nor the end because I want to be able to remove the stitch when I am done. The reason why I'm doing this stitch is because I don't want my fabric to shift. So yeah. If you, no, I said I was going to knot it and I just knotted it, yeah. But anyways, if you are doing a saddle stitch and you want to stitch like this, you can literally account for excess fabric and then cut the whole thing off when you're done. But the next step is to measure off where my holes are going to go. Now I am going to go ahead and I am going to mark off every ½ an inch. Now I am starting it just about a ¼ inch from the edge there. So ½ an inch, every ½ an inch. I'm going to mark every ½ an inch. There we go. Now I have all my marks, or so I think. They're very faint, but I should be able to do with them. I'm going to use my punch. Just going to make sure it's lined up over the plate here. I'm going to use my punch and I am going to punch each hole that I have marked. Now you can get a punch like this. If you're living in Canada, a Canadian Tire. You can also, for under 20 bucks, and you can also get it on Amazon. I've seen it for under 15 bucks. I inherited mine, but yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys closer. To do your saddle stitch, you will need 2 needles. And any thread will do. Nylon thread, burlap twine. I am using this crochet thread. I used a contrasting thread just so you can better be able to see it. I can either do this or I can go and look for my needle threader, and right now I am not going to do that. So there we go. And now I am going to take the needle and I am going to put it through the first hole. Then I am going to thread the other end of the thread, the cord, through my other needle. There we go. Now you want to kind of make them equal as much as possible. And then I think it would be nice to have something to hold it like this, but I don't. So I'm going to use, stick with me and you'll see what to hold it. If you guessed my knees, you are right. I'm going to use my knees to hold it. And I am just going to go ahead and I am going to take this side of the thread and I am going to run the thread through the hole, just going back and forth, back and forth, You get the gist of what I'm doing here, right? Yes, now we are done with this thread, or this needle, this side of the needle, this side of the thread. We're going to take this side and we are just going to do the same thing. Run it through and through, same hole. The most important thing here to achieve our saddle stitch is that the needle is going through, or the needles are going through the same hole. There we go. So instead of alternating, you just use one side and go all the way, and then use the other side and go all the way, and you achieve your saddle stitch. See? It's done. Takes way less time. Now to finish off, what you can do is bring your needle through the hole here, pull the thread out on the inside, take your needle off, do the same thing on this side, bring it through the hole on the inside. There we go. Take your needle off and basically just go ahead and tie the thread to finish off your saddle stitch. That's it. We have done our saddle stitch in half of the time it would otherwise take if you were alternating. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit subscribe and help me to get to 5,000 subscribers. Leave your comment below. Let me know what you think. Like and share. I will see you again soon.